He continued to fire multiple shots at officers with both guns until apparently running out of ammunition. He appeared to pass out, landing in the officer's line of fire. On the evening of May 4, 2024, at approximately 8:20 p.m., officers from the Moses Lake Police Department responded to a domestic disturbance call at the Motel 6 in Moses Lake. The incident involved 37-year-old Zachary Allen Stockton, who had reportedly locked himself in a motel room following a confrontation with his girlfriend. The girlfriend alleged that Stockton had threatened her and pointed a gun at her. She managed to contact someone to call 911 for help. Sergeant Munro and Officer Todd Taylor were the first responders to the scene.
Come out with your hands empty, please.
What?
Come out with your hands empty, please. Come to the door. Just got to chat with you, see what's going on. Okay.
Body camera footage released on May 11 shows officers knocking at the motel room door, announcing their presence and requesting that the occupants come out with nothing in their hands.
Why? I don't know the doctor.
Do you have a gun, sir?
I'm sorry, what?
We got a report that there was an assault here. Can you come over here?
There was no assault.
Okay. All right. Can you talk to my officer here? Can you show me other hands, sir?
Video shows a woman exiting the room and cooperating with officers while a man stands in the doorway with one arm still inside the apartment.
Just so I'm safe.
The man questioned officers, saying that he wanted to ensure his safety before exiting the apartment.
I'll have multiple guns.
Do you have a gun in your hand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, put the gun down, please.
One officer asked the man whether he had a gun, to which the man responded that he had multiple.
No, I'm not. If you come out unarmed,
How can I believe you?
I give you my word, sir. I have a body camera that's recorded audio and visually, sir. I don't want to hurt you. I promise you, sir. I do not want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt anybody. Please come out unarmed. Yeah, I don't care about your warrant. I don't care about your warrants. I care about your safety and my safety. So please come out unarmed, sir. Okay? I give you my word. I've got a wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay? Please come out.
The officer then spoke with the man for several minutes, attempting to convince him that he would not be hurt as long as he exited the room without a gun in his hand. Eventually, the man retreated back into the room and immediately re-exited, now holding a handgun in each hand. He fired a shot at officers from each gun, leading officers to return fire. He continued to fire multiple shots at officers with both guns until apparently running out of ammunition.
Todd, you good?
After he stopped firing, he turned the corner of a building, and after standing still for a few moments, he appeared to pass out, landing in the officer's line of fire. A vehicle used by the officers for cover during the shootout was found to have 8 bullet holes, all attributed to Stockton's gunfire. Following his arrest, Stockton received medical treatment and was subsequently jailed in Grant County. Court documents reveal that Stockton is facing serious charges, including 3 counts of first-degree assault, 1 count of second-degree assault, and unlawful possession of a firearm. During the incident, Munro sustained a gunshot wound to his foot. He underwent surgery the following Sunday and is currently recovering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of current events and legal issues. Stay informed and stay safe.